Have you ever wondered what's lurking in the deepest, darkest parts of our oceans? Down there, where the pressure is crushing and sunlight never reaches, live creatures that defy everything we know about life. These are the survivors, the impossibilities, the animals that by all accounts simply shouldn't be alive. But they are, and today we're diving deep to meet them. First up, let's talk about a creature that has discovered the fountain of youth, the immortal jellyfish. Its scientific name is Torotopsis dohrnii, and it possesses a truly mind-bending ability. When it gets old, sick, or injured, it doesn't just die. Instead, it can reverse its aging process, transforming back into its earliest life stage, a tiny polyp. From there, it starts its life cycle all over again. Imagine being able to hit the reset button on your entire life. This jellyfish essentially clones itself over and over, making it biologically immortal. It's not just surviving. It's cheating death itself, a feat that continues to baffle scientists and makes us question the very definition of aging. This tiny, bell-shaped creature, no bigger than your pinky nail, holds a secret that humans have been chasing for centuries. Now, let's journey even deeper, to the pitch-black ocean floor where massive skeletons of whales rest. Here, we find our next bizarre survivor, the bone-eating worm. These creatures, also known as oxidax worms, are as strange as they sound. They have no mouth, no stomach, and no anus. So how do they eat? They anchor themselves to the whale bones and secrete a powerful acid that dissolves the hard bone matrix. Then, with the help of symbiotic bacteria living inside their roots, they absorb the fats and proteins locked within the bone. They are essentially living drills, feasting on the dead in complete darkness. What's even stranger is that the visible feathery worms are all female. The males are microscopic and live inside the females, their only job being to produce sperm. It's a bizarre, alien-like existence, thriving on death at the bottom of the sea. From bone eaters to farmers, our next creature is the Yeti crab. Discovered near scorching hot hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, these crabs are covered in silky blonde-white hairs, which is how they got their name. But this isn't just for looks. Their hairy claws are actually a personal garden. The Yeti crab waves its claws back and forth in the chemical-rich water spewing from the vents to cultivate bacteria. These bacteria are its primary food source. It's farming in one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where temperatures can swing wildly and toxic chemicals are the norm. They've created their own sustainable food system in a place where no other food exists. It's a testament to how life can adapt and innovate in the most creative and unexpected ways, turning a volcanic underwater landscape into a thriving home. Prepare to have your mind blown by our next deep-sea marvel, the barrel-eye fish. This creature looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It lives in the twilight zone of the ocean, where light is incredibly scarce. Its most striking feature? A completely transparent, fluid-filled head. You can literally see its brain and internal organs. But the real magic is its eyes. They are two bright green barrel-shaped orbs located inside its head, and they are almost always pointing straight up. This allows the barrel-eye to spot the faint silhouettes of prey swimming far above it. When it finds a meal, its eyes can rotate forward, allowing it to lock on and strike with precision. This transparent dome protects its sensitive eyes from the stinging cells of jellyfish, one of its favorite foods. A see-through head and rotating internal eyes, it's an adaptation so bizarre, it's hard to believe it's real. Let's return to the world of bone eaters, but with a different twist. Meet the zombie worm. We've mentioned the oxidax, or bone-eating worms before, but their nickname zombie worms is just too good not to explore further. These creatures truly live up to their name. Found on whale carcasses in the deep, they don't have mouths or digestive systems. Instead, they have root-like structures that burrow into the bone. But here is the really creepy part. These roots house special bacteria that do all the dirty work. The bacteria break down the fats inside the bone, and the worm simply absorbs the nutrients. So, it's not the worm itself that's eating, but its bacterial minions. They are like a living dead organism, drawing sustenance from skeletons without any of the usual equipment for eating. It's a parasitic relationship that turns the ocean floor into a scene from a zombie apocalypse, one whale fall at a time. Now, imagine a creature that wears a suit of armor made of metal. That's the scaly-foot gastropod, or sea pangolin. This snail lives around hydrothermal vents, some of the harshest habitats on the planet. These vents spew superheated, mineral-rich water. To survive, this snail has evolved something unique. A shell and foot covered in scales made of iron sulfide, essentially fool's gold. This metallic armor protects it from the crushing pressure, extreme temperatures, and predatory crabs that try to crush its shell. It's the only known animal to incorporate iron sulfide into its skeleton. Its heart is also unusually large for its body size, helping it circulate oxygen in this low-oxygen environment. This creature is a real-life knight in shining metallic armor, proving that to live in hell, you have to build your own fortress. If you think snails with metal armor are strange, wait until you hear about our next creature, the deep-sea cucumber. These aren't the crunchy vegetables in your salad. These are echinoderms, related to starfish, and some species have a defense mechanism that is both disgusting and brilliant. When threatened by a predator, like a deep-sea crab, some sea cucumbers can essentially liquefy their own bodies. Their connective tissue, called catch collagen, can change from a solid to a liquid state in an instant. The sea cucumber turns into a gooey puddle, allowing it to ooze through tiny cracks and escape. Once it's safe, it can firm up its body again. It's like a shapeshifter from a horror movie. Others have a more aggressive defense. They can violently expel their internal organs out of their rear end to entangle and distract the predator. They can then regrow these organs later. It's a drastic, but effective way to say, leave me alone. From immortal jellyfish that reset their lives to zombie worms that eat with bacteria. From farming crabs to fish with see-through heads, the deep sea is home to creatures that shatter our understanding of biology. They thrive in darkness, under immense pressure, and in toxic environments where we once believed life was impossible. Each one is a marvel of evolution, a living testament to life's incredible tenacity. They are the beautiful monsters of the abyss, the survivors of an alien world right here on our own planet. They prove that no matter how harsh the conditions, life, somehow, finds a way. What other secrets is the deep sea hiding? And would you dare to dive into their world to find out? A huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Your support truly means the world to us and allows us to keep exploring these amazing topics. If you're new here and enjoyed this journey into the deep, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our next dive into the wonders of the ocean. Thanks for watching Ocean Facts, and we'll see you in the next video.